Are you sick and tired of feeling sick and tired? Well, I'm here to tell you you don't have to be. My name is Leslie. Welcome to my channel. I actually lost 21 pounds, 4 inches from my waist, 3 inches from my tummy and my hips, and I've kept that off for over 30 years. And it was the easiest thing that I've ever done, and I no longer feel sick or tired. So stay tuned and I will tell you the secrets of my success. But first, remember to subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications bell, and we'll see you on future top 10 hits. Top 10 tips, I should say. But anyway, here we go. How I stopped feeling sick and tired. I used to be always very tired. I was a teacher. I taught 30 little kids between the age of 5 and 7 for over 13 years. And I was exhausted by the end of that, as you can imagine. And I never had time to do anything about how I was feeling and about my health and my weight. I was just busily focused on work, come home exhausted, eat something to satisfy that horrible feeling that I had of just being exhausted all the time, and carried on day in, day out without thinking that there was any other way. Of course, I tried a few other diets. Of course, I tried a little bit of exercise. Of course, I cut things out of my diet and in the hope that I would lose some weight and get a bit more slim, but that didn't make me any more energetic. And I used to get sick all the time. I used to get colds constantly. And I used to be run down, and teachers have long holidays, but I used to spend most of my holiday time in bed trying to recover. And then when I was back at work, sure enough, after the first week, some kid would be sniffling and sneezing and coughing germs onto me, and I'd have the cold, but I would have to soldier on. Go to work every day because, you're a teacher. You can't leave those kids and let them down. Anyway, that was my life then. Then I found Herbalife Nutrition, and with the nutrition, I started using it for losing weight, which I did very successfully, as I have just told you. But the amazing side effect was that A, I was more energetic, B, I wasn't feeling tired and hungry and starving and craving and all of that stuff. And then long term, my energy levels have persisted. I've been able to keep my weight steady within a pound, and I've been able to be, fit and healthy, I guess, is the best way to describe it. I actually haven't even had a cold for over 30 years. So my immune system has built up so strong and so healthy as a result of daily good nutrition. And what do? I have a Herbalife Nutrition shake for breakfast every day. I take a couple of vitamin tablets along with it. And I take my, here it is, my really wonderful antioxidant herbal tea that burns 80 to 100 calories per cup. I have that. That helps with the energy levels and the fat burning levels, but all in all, my body is happy and functioning. It's kind of like when you've taken your car for a really good service and everything's working tickety-boo and the engine's purring along. I mean, that's really great, but what about your body? How about giving that a jolly good servicing every now and again? Make sure that it's getting the right fuel, feeling all nice and clean, feeling motorized, motivated, and burning everything off nice and smoothly and cleanly. So yeah, give your engine a service, give your body a service, and then all the other side effects seem to come along just because your body can work the miracle of health when it's being fueled and given the right resources just to do so. So I hope that's helped you. We're here to help you every single day. If you have any questions, please, I'm really happy, drop them into the comments below and I'll be more than happy to answer the questions there. Or if you prefer a personal consultation, that's no problem either. My contact links are down below, and if you're not already in touch with a Herbalife nutrition coach, get in touch with me. I've been helping people for over 30 years and I'm sure I can help you too. And you can have loads of energy, no longer feel tired and fed up, and just enjoying your life. So I look forward to hearing from you, and so talk to you again soon. Bye for now.